The development of the Active Winglet came from the need to highly modify a wing without having the structural downside. I had a little plane that we modified. We prototyped it really quick. Then we started raising money and grew the company, always knowing that the jets was the direction that we were going to go.
This plane right here is our 100th installation. We're here to celebrate that today. We're really proud to be part of the Sandpoint community. You guys in this room have supported us for almost 10 years as we've developed this technology, patented it, certified it, and now brought it to market. Our new friend Larry, this is his airplane. He's going to enjoy 25% fuel savings when he goes home today.
The real reason we chose the Tamarack winglets were primarily for performance improvements on the airplane, allow us to expand our business capabilities throughout the West Coast. We're also looking forward to the increases in safety because we do fly into high altitude airports in the summertime, and the winglets are going to increase our safety margin substantially, especially on a hot day. So that's something that was very important to us and something that only the Tamarack winglets really offer.
I think with the Active Winglets, we're going to be able to travel much farther with the whole family. Winglets was, to me, a very good decision to make it safer.
Think about the environmental impact of saving 25% in your fuel. It's a huge step forward in protecting our natural resources. It's a big step for aviation. Active winglets are the future of flight. There's no reason to do a traditional passive winglet anymore. The technology's here. It's significantly better than the last technology, and we need to start employing it everywhere.
For Tamarack, everything is pointing up in 2020.